This is 324 Kelly Avenue in Half Moon Bay, a contemporary home designed and built in 2017, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, about 3,300 square feet, with ocean peak views from one of the better positions on Kelly Avenue. The home was built to fit the site. Clean lines, open layout, quality throughout. It's the kind of construction that holds up because it was done right the first time. The position is what earns the price. Walk to the ocean or walk downtown. Coastal light, modern lines in a park-like setting. Half Moon Bay is a specific kind of place, and this home was designed to take full advantage of it. What makes this listing different from everything else available right now is the lot next door. 7,500 square feet, already improved with a water connection, available on its own or as part of the package. 2 parcels side by side on the same street don't come to market at the same time. Both together at $5,350,000. Individual pricing available as well. If the coast is where you're headed, this is worth a conversation.